math club, we are kind of obsessed with friendship bracelets.
Friendship bracelets? Sweet, can I have one?
Sure.
Cute.
The thing is, if I make one for one friend,
I heard you're making friendship bracelets. That's so cool.
I have to distribute a bracelet to all my friends.
Sweet.
I have to be fair.
Thanks.
It's the same thing with numbers. There's a property that allows them to distribute things to their buddies, so long as they distribute fairly. It's called the distributive property.
The distributive property of multiplication means when you have a number multiplying addition and or subtraction within the parentheses, you can distribute multiplication over the parentheses to all the numbers inside.
Say we have the number 5 times the quantity 9 plus 7 plus 4. The numbers inside the parentheses are hanging out like buddies, and we're going to distribute the 5, sort of like we did with the bracelets.
To do this, let's multiply each number inside the parentheses by 5. Let's start by multiplying the 5 and 9 together. Since we have to be fair, let's also multiply the 5 and 7 together, so no one feels left out.
Notice that as we're going, we are keeping the addition sign between the 9 and the 7. When we distribute, we keep the operation sign to separate the numbers, like when we made bracelets for Hannah and Jasmine. Mathematically, this translates to the quantity of 5 times 9 plus the quantity of 5 times 7.
Speaking of which, we don't want the 4 to feel left out either, so let's multiply the 5 and 4 together as well. Everybody gets multiplied.
And then operate it.
Let's finish this off. If we multiply inside the parentheses, we get 45 plus 35 plus 20, which is 100.
To see if the distributive property works, we could add all the numbers in the parentheses together to get 20, and then multiply 20 by 5 to get our answer.
Which equals 100.
The distributive property doesn't change the value of the number. It's just a different way of getting our answer, by multiplying every number.
Every number?
Yeah.
Okay, well what if you're multiplying a negative number? Like a negative 2 times the quantity of 7 minus 11.
Same thing. Everyone gets multiplied.
You shouldn't have, Oprah.
You get it too, and you get it too. Everybody gets multiplied by -2. As long as you have the rules for positive and negative numbers down, you're good to go.
Okay, well what about 4 plus the quantity of 5 minus 7?
Sorry, guys. Not this time.
Do you know where the exit is?
In that case, no, you don't get a car. The distributive property only works with multiplication, not addition.
The distributive property comes in handy when working with variables, which we can show you by making a friendship bracelet for Grace.
Oh, can you put the math club colors in it?
Sure.
Can I have another one?
Me too, please, me too.
I wouldn't say no if you offered.
5 bracelets. Okay, Grace, I need 14 purple bands, 12 aqua bands, 10 orange bands, 8 red bands, and 8 black bands to make one bracelet. Using the distributive property, we can find out how many total bands we need for 5 bracelets. By distributing the 5 to the 14, we get 70 purple bands. But since I distributed the 5 to the 14, I now need to distribute 5 to everything else as well, to be fair. So, 5 times 12 equals 60 aqua bands, 5 times 10 equals 50 orange bands, 5 times 8 equals 40 red bands, and 5 times 8 equals 40 black bands.
Phew, done.
One thing to keep in mind, when you're working with the distributive property with variables, you can't combine unlike terms. And we're done.
Sweet!
Woo! This one, this one.
Oh, I love the red against my nails.
Sweet.
See you next time.
Can I have another one?
Something in my world is revolving. Revolve. Revolve.
No, stop breathing on me!
Oh my God, what is it?
Factor if it away. Take if, no, factor if away. And factor it away. Oh no.
Oh my God! I don't know you people.